Hello, everyone. All right, so today we're going to be doing a little bit of the homework from Statistics 300, and this is for the class that use Excel. I know my last video was for the class that use StatCrunch, so this is similar just with Excel. All right, so I'm gonna just pick a couple questions, and we're just gonna go ahead and go at it. And as you can see to the right, these are the formulas that you'll need for Chapter 7.3. And so let's go ahead and dive into questions. Question one, I did it. It was pretty simple. So we just gonna start with two. A sample size of 80 will be drawn from a population with a mean 81 and a standard deviation 22. Use a table if needed. Part one of two. Find the probability that the mean will be greater than 86. Probability that the mean will be greater than 86. All right, so first, when they say the probability, I always think of probability as in area as the same thing. So you go to our table. These the numbers inside. These are the probabilities are the area, So these are what we're going to be finding. All right. So first, to find these, we need to have a z-score. So let's go ahead and turn this number into a z-score. The 86. And so the first thing to do that, we have to change our standard deviation into the standard deviation of the sample. All right, so we just want to use this formula right here. So equals standard deviation of 22 divided by the square root of the sample size, which is 80. Yes. All right, so this is our new standard deviation. So now we can put it into this formula right here to find our z-score. So let's do it right here. Equals. So our x value is going to be 86, what we're looking for, minus our mean. Our mean is 81. And notice that the mean does not change. The mean of the sample distribution is the same as the mean of the population. Okay, only the standard deviation change. And now let's put in our new standard deviation. So not 22, but our new one that we just came up with. Oops. We gotta do divide. All right, so this is our standard deviation. Excuse me, this is our z-score. Boom, z-scores, they always round to two decimals, so that will be 2.03. All right, and they want to find the probability that is greater than this. So, so the z-score of 2.03. So we got 2 right here, so 2.0. Then we go to number 3. All right, you see 3 lines up. So 0.9788. But as you can see, the table is for everything to the left. So we're going to have, well, we want to find greater than this. So we're going to do the complement of this. So we're going to do 1 minus. All right, so equal 1 minus, and our number is 0.9788. All right, so that's our answer right there. So let's go ahead and input that. 0.0212. Perfect. Find the 80th percentile of x. All right, remember what I said? The 80th, the percentile and the area are the same thing. So find the 80th percentile. We're gonna go to here. So we're gonna look for which value is the closest to 0.85. All right. It looks like this one's the closest. To 0.85. Yeah, this value right here. And you can tell it's the closest because these ones is just a little too far above This one's just a little too far below. So the z-score of that is 1.04. Alright, so let's go ahead and write that down. Z is equals 1.04. Alright, for percentile. Find the percentile of the 80th. The 80th percentile is bam. Okay. So now we're going to put this into this formula at the bottom. This formula, it gives us the x value, and that's what we're looking for. Looking for the x value. So this formula is the mean plus the standard deviation times the z-score. So let's go ahead and put that formula in right below, which is the mean is 81. Alright, plus the z-score is 1.04. 1.04 times our standard deviation. And our standard deviation, not that one. Okay, hold on. Gotta memorize which one's our standard deviation. Okay, so this one was our standard deviation. Alright. Yep, perfect. So let's do that formula one more time. Equals the mean, 81, plus standard deviation of z-score plus times our standard deviation. Boop. Alright, so that's our answer right there. Round the answer to 2 decimal places. So that'll be 83.56. 83.56. Perfect. Let's go ahead and do one more. Alright. Actually, I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna stop this video. Then we're gonna start this one fresh.